Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Adalo user actions with role permissions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your Adalo project and navigate to the app builder interface. Once you're in the project, locate the user's database in the left sidebar. Click on the user's database to access the properties of user roles. Next, create or edit a user role based on your needs. To do this, scroll down. You can add a new role by clicking the Add Role button. Name your new role and configure its permissions. Once your role is created, return to the app builder. Select the component or action that you want to restrict. In the right sidebar, look for the Actions section. Click on the action you want to modify, such as Submit or Navigate. Now, look for the visibility settings. Here, you can set conditions based on user roles. Select the condition related to user roles you want to apply. This allows you to specify which roles can perform this action. If necessary, repeat this process for each action you want to restrict. Once you've set the required conditions, click Save to apply your changes. You can now test your app to ensure the user actions are properly restricted. Log in with different user accounts to verify the permissions. Make adjustments if you find any discrepancies in user actions. This process ensures that users only have access to the functionalities relevant to their roles. By managing role permissions effectively, you create a secure user experience tailored for your app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.